Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Baby just came. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you want my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a wig review today because we do wig reviews here. And this beautiful girl is from Motown Tress, and her name is Delta. She's part of their Slay and Style line. And it says that she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. She has a deep lace parting. She's got slayable edges with baby hairs. She is ear to ear HD invisible lace. Okay. And I have her in the color OFH4/Blonde, which is ombre framing highlights. And she comes in a bunch of colors. She also came with wig tape. So we can take that off. And let's see, it says her finished length is 13 inches. What else do we need to know? And I scooped her up from Shop Hair Wigs for $20.31. Let's talk about her. I love her. I absolutely love this wig. I got this wig because of the color, and I feel like she's actually a little bit longer and less like bumped than the picture, which I absolutely love. She's a light yaki texture, but there is a softness to it. She's big. The wig cap is big. I'm not wearing a wig grip, and if I were to wear this, I would either need to tighten it or probably tighten it and wear a wig grip. Okay. Well, you will see the clips of me styling her. I styled her with my InStyler mini straightening heat brush, which just, from the package, some of the ends get weird, so it took care of that right away. Let's look at her from the back. I mean, the movement is so great. The color is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of that Outre Cassidy a little bit in terms of the Cassidy's a little bit longer, but the color is similar. Cassidy didn't have like the face framing, but overall. Oh yeah. I think for 20 bucks, this is a steal. She is, you know, definitely multicultural. She'd be a great daily wear wig, great for the summer. The density is really nice. She's enough hair, but not too much. I always love a face framing highlight. I think it just gives it a little bit of something. I think the coloring on this is beautiful. And so I'm excited about this one. This one's definitely going in my long-term collection. So I really don't have anything else to say about her. Delta's a winner. This color is a winner, okay? If there is another Motown Tress wig you would like me to review, go ahead and check out my Motown Tress playlist first and see what's in there. And if it's not in there, then you can put it down and I'll see if I can review it for you, okay? If you haven't subscribed, I don't know why, so just do it. Okay? And if you have, thank you so much. You're my doll baby. You are you, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Bye.